Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2012 Holden Captiva 7 SX, stock reference number 4709. The shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left sidestep, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear. We have the right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag, right-hand sidestep, right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, sat nav, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel.